this is all, the big announcement was that this is all to do with the decentralized AI, right? Now, I've had a couple of videos recently, well, not recently, but previously, if you want to go check those out. One called Our Friend AI and one on dialectic provisional governance, right, where I talk about AI in there. Under the enclosed mainnet, right, we're currently on a centralized blockchain, right? So this is how we're currently operating with Pi Core team running their own nodes, and then all the Pioneer nodes are running on testnet, right? So when we go to a decentralized blockchain in the open mainnet, right, then everything will be switched over, right? And that's what we're doing here, is testing the nodes for the switch over, right? And then Nicholas says, because he's got these 200,000 nodes, this is how he wants to run a decentralized AI as well. Now, what's the benefits of running a decentralized AI on blockchain, right? So we get security, right, where we're getting rid of single points of failure, and it's an immutable device, which means it can't be changed, right? We get collaboration, right? So this is where data sharing and open source AI models come into play. Scalability, right? So we can get to expand on demand. Privacy, right? This is, protecting sensitive information, right? It's all these things that it provides. And inclusivity, right? This is where, we can all participate in the development and the decision making. Right? And for outcomes, this is where we're talking about, fair and balanced, zero knowledge proofs, and peer-to-peer interactions. Potential use cases of decentralized AI, right? So there's healthcare, financial services, supply chain, and metaverse, right? So you can see here, adding DAI to the blockchain, right? It's got a lot of benefits to it, and just increases the utility of Pi Network. Now, one thing that you probably never heard of before is something called a proof of honesty, right? This is something that comes along with decentralized AI, right? And it's one of the pillars I sort of talked about under dialectic provisional governance, right? Where we've all got a shared goal of establishing the truth. No matter if we've got differing opinions, right? Our main shared goal is the finding of truth, right? And this is what decentralized AI will help us achieve.